Yeah, we are live.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yeah, we are live now. We are live.
Okay.
Okay.
0390607 8.
Oops. Okay.
Yeah, I sent you by.
Okay. Standby. Okay. YouTube. Copy. Okay. Go to here. Okay. YouTube is there.
Hello?
Okay. YouTube.
Good afternoon, Ruben. Yes?
Whoop.
Hi, this is Jake. I'm calling from the Victoria Images. How are you doing? Good. All right, great. So the
Whoop.
instance of this call is got the
Whoop.
Victorian Carbon program that we were exchanging live loans in the past. Do you remember? I'm sorry, I cannot entertain you. I'm at work. Sorry. I'm
Just
okay,
mute
so
him
sorry,
by.
I do apologize for this.
Uh,
We
Just
will contact you
yeah,
again.
just
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ruben. Bye. Bye.
where is Ruben? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Gone. Yeah. Ruben is mute. Yeah. Okay. Whoops. Where was I? I was giving the links to people. Uh, okay. YouTube. 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 YouTube.
They're there by. They're already there.
Okay. Okay. You're giving the YouTube to everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's it. Okay. So what we need is banners. First things first is our this NASCAP. Yeah.
Yeah,
Already landed. First, remember I took a little bit off with 52 in
correct.
Discord. Yeah. And the other one we had set the target at 100 points. That's done. Yeah.
Yeah,
And after also I did it in Discord later at 15066. Yeah.
okay.
That and landed with the 100 as well. Yeah.
Right,
So
right.
that's done. Yeah. While I was not here, that's done. And of course, our what we had said about Bitcoin,
Yeah,
the 3333 done,
right,
and the 34300 done as well.
right.
Yeah. So coffee is still running. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Coffee is still running. So this one we need to we can delete it. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. And this one as well. Deleted, gone. Yeah. Okay. So only one messing about is coffee, and that's about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh, any comments? Okay. Timer is here. Okay. Looking at private. Can no longer. Oh, Reza cannot hear. Now you can hear us, Reza.
No, he can hear. I think he wants to be on the stage. I think.
Okay. So let's add him. Okay. I'll add him. Okay. 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 So shall we start basically? Yeah. Or we give them about 2-3 minutes. Nishant, by what you
Yeah,
reckon?
yeah, yeah, yeah. 2 minutes
Yeah.
we can.
2-3 minutes we give, and then we start. Yeah. This next few days we need to watch the market a bit more carefully
Right, right.
because not so much analysis, but end of the month games. Nishant, bhai,
Correct.
because we're coming towards the end of the month. Yeah.
Right.
So they will try and because I suppose people who play options and dividend plays and all this and whatever have you, that all
Yeah,
comes into play. And of course, the first of the month is American 401k day, they call it, yeah,
correct.
which is where the hedges have to basically put the buys in, yeah, in the pension funds and whatever, yeah. And hedge funds, I believe, Nishant, but there is some hedge funds which are only allowed to do a buy, yeah.
Okay.
Americans, I'm talking about now.
Right.
They are only allowed to buy. They cannot short the market. Huh?
Okay.
and there is other ones who are given the privilege of doing both. Yeah,
Right.
but most of the hedge funds, as far as I understand or know, is they can only buy.
Okay. Okay.
And the other one as well from years back I know is, China.
Mm.
China shares and everything or whatever have you. The Chinese are not allowed to short the market, Nishant bhai.
Yeah, I think they changed the rules or something.
They can only buy,
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can imagine if there's a collapse,
Correct.
what would happen is there will be a run on the banks to take the money out, Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
Because remember, similar kind of situation happened in Hong Kong, yeah?
Yeah.
And they were not giving the money to the people back and all sorts, and there was queues, and then there was like a restriction, you can only take so much and whatever. And similar happened with the credit crunch, yeah?
Yeah.
Here Northern Rock Bank and whatever have you, of course people can't withdraw their money because they bankrupted the bank, yeah? They
Right.
didn't
Right.
bring it out. But in Europe, what happened was to avoid the bank run, they restricted the amount of currency that you could withdraw.
Okay.
And that by itself caused massive queues because people had no confidence what they wanted to take the money out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And even at the borders, Nishant Park, if you had over, I think it was 10,000 euros or 20,000 euros, you were in big trouble, yeah?
Okay.
So you can imagine this kind of things,
Yeah.
when something happens, you think that, you live like a police state, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, your money and at a border, and then they lock you up because you have 10,000 euros, huh?
Correct.
That is why,
Today we have FOMC, is it? Today. Vipin.
Okay. Is it? It looks like it. Looks like it. You could be right. You could be right. It's the time of the month. 29, 28. Aha! Today is the correct one, Nishant bhai. Last time it was just the minutes, and remember I was screaming, we will do the. Attila said he will come as well, and whatever. And today is the real one, yeah.
Right.
So today,
Vipin by just posted.
Oh, thank you for that. I knew something, but brain is dead. Yeah, I'm brain dead.
Yeah. I think put Vipin by also by on stage. He is not able to.
Yeah. Where is Vipin? Where are we? Vipin. Hey, where is Vipin? Here. Okay, Vipin is on as well. So today, guys,
Salam bhai.
Walaikum salam. Kalai wanakam.
Vanakkam.
Magaliti.
What?
Magliti. Happy.
Yeah, happy. It's in which language it is?
Tamil, na? I think, Tamil, na? Where you say Kalai wanakam.
Yeah, I'm from. Yeah, Kalai Vanakkam in Tamil. I'm in Namaskar in Malayalam, in my local language.
Okay, Namaskar. Okay. My cousin brother from Kenya, when he was very young, his father sent him to Cochin, Cochin, and he put him in like a, priests or nuns or whatever, a convent school, na?
Yeah, many convent schools is there.
So he learned that till he grew up, and then college and all this and whatever, and then later he came back into Kenya. He can speak the language like a local,
Yeah, it's very difficult. It's very difficult language, but some people can easily recognize it.
Yeah, and because as a child he grew up, he can read, write fluent. Yeah, so
yeah, that's true.
I knew he can speak it, but what happened once is me and him both went to London, and he used to smoke a lot. So he said, I want cigarettes. So I said, okay, let me fill up the car and we take your cigarettes and everything. So when we went in, most of the petrol stations are run by, people from Malayalam speaking, Tamil speaking people, no?
Yeah.
He went in and he was having a conversation behind the counter with that guy. The guy said, where are you from? Which part? He said, I came from Cochin, all this. Then he told him, I'm from Kenya. The guy couldn't believe that a Kenya person can speak like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
My plan today is what we will do is half past 6, quarter to 7. If everyone is okay, we will trade the FOMC. What do you think, guys? What do you think of that?
Yeah,
Yes,
let's do
yes,
that.
yes, we can. Let's do that actually.
Even if we don't get a live trade on it, doesn't matter. We will look at it and we will see what and how and everything. Yeah,
True.
because it will give moves. At 7 o'clock might give a little move, but at 6:30 we will get a better moves. Yeah, so we can trade this 1 hour of the market. Yeah.
Yeah.
And because it will make moves in gold, it will make moves in the indexes and everything. So it will be fun.
Even it's in currency also. Currency will.
Yeah,
I
everything.
think euro, cable and everything's waiting to get the update.
Yes, because what you can think of it is like if you have. Let me move this thing here. I don't know. Okay. Because what happens is basically, when we get this thing. Okay. Oh, let me make it thicker. So with the Fed, yeah, with the Fed, if we are before the market, if we are going up, yeah, in the Fed, yeah, pre-Fed, then we expect either a pop-up or a retrace down. Okay, this is pre-Fed, yeah, pre-Fed, and at the Fed we usually say we get a spike up or a spike down, yeah. So we look for those, but basically it will affect everything around it because think of it like a pond, yeah. If you throw a little stone in it, it's not going to make much waves. But the Fed, we can say, is like a big stone, a big boulder. If you throw that, it will cause waves, yeah, which will affect everything. Yeah, make sense?
Yes.
Ripples in everything, in FX, in gold, in oil, everything will get affected. Yeah, and of course, S&P and that will be affected more. Yeah. So just think of it like somebody throwing a boulder. If it's small or is it big, Fed is a big stone, yeah? So we look at it like that, ripples everywhere. And that's why, like Walter says, we must look at what is not going on with what we are doing, but what is going on around us. Situation awareness, like we call it, yeah? Okay. So any questions or anything or whatever, guys, keep on reading and shouting to me and things like that. Like I said, I'm a bit slow today. Yeah, I'm slow every day. Yeah, but okay. And anyone wants to be to talk as well, shout and we will put you on. But if you have noise coming from everywhere, please self-moderation, cut it down yourself. Yeah, mute yourself. Okay. So S&P and whatever we have said is sell the rallies mode, yeah. So that view has not changed. We are looking for areas to short, yeah. But at the moment, there is no juice. And as you pointed out, because we got the Fed, they'll keep us guessing quite a bit, yeah. They'll keep us guessing quite a bit. The main move in S&P today will be the Fed, yeah. So Fed is the name of the game today, yeah. And where was the high so far in S&P? Question, guys. Recent highs, where were we near enough? Around 4385, say 4390 area, yeah. So we know if we can't pass these areas on even a Fed spike, it is a fake down, yeah, or an opportunity to sell, yeah. And the recent lows we can say is like 4350 LOD was quite important, and the 4333 area was quite important, yeah. So if it comes around there, we can take a contra long as well. Depending, you need to look at the speed of the move, okay? The speed of the move, yeah. Easy. Make sense? Basically,
yes.
Just a skeleton plan as to what we are thinking of doing, yeah. But during the day, till that time they will mess us about a bit. Yeah, they will try to wrong foot us. Now similar story again. We are going sideways and marking time. Yeah, and when I give these levels, make sure that I have them all. Yeah, so you can have it. We know 3-5 or 5-6 area. The Templars will know is important. Yeah, from your lines from before. Agreed? Whoops.
Yes, boy.
Yeah. Okay. Nascrap is the weaker one out of them, yeah. And similar thing again, Nascrap, look for rally. We've said sell the rallies anyway, yeah. But I think if you look at here, can we see like on a 60-minute, for example, we have a single, double, and a triple top.
Yes.
That could be important, yes. This area, you can say, call it the policeman. Even if he does a poke and you can't get past it or goes like that and falters about, you can use that as your marker and for a sell, yeah? Agreed? Plus we got, it's in a triangle here now as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Makes sense, yeah, because on 60-minute look, we do have a triple top. It can't get past it, yeah? Can't get past it.
Mhm.
So it's weak, nah? I know I'm only looking at 60-minute, but it gives you a rough idea. Rough idea, yeah? 4, of course, is the same, yeah? So need to watch that area. And okay, 30-minute, we need to get all the levels, yeah? We got all the levels. DAX again will same as near enough. You can see the pattern near enough is absolutely the same as the Dow, yeah? Same as the Dow. Same as the Dow. On our one, okay, nothing much on there. One, nothing much on there. We know the policeman area is up around here. So look to sell the rallies. But you know, with DAX, yeah, one of the characteristics of DAX is it is a pig. I mean, absolutely stubborn. It what move, hold the level, and then all of a sudden it's like somebody takes out the rug from under its legs and it drops like 100, 150, 200, 300 points, yeah? Or the other way around, that it pops up like 150, 200, 300 points, yeah? So that is the character of the Dow. That is how it moves, yeah? The BMW is either, I call the Dow as the BMW fast car. It is either full stop or non-stop, yeah? That's what it does. Okay, and questions fire away. So anyone, anything? Walaikum salam, Adam. Welcome. Nifty, same. We are F1, maybe a little poke up to try between the F1 and LOC, and need to watch that area, yeah? Need to watch that area. If I'm going too fast or something like that, do shout as well. Same pattern. We are seeing S&P, Dow, whatever, going sideways, marking time, yeah? FTSE, the boring one. CAC, Frenchies, we don't do, but not worth it, okay. Oil, we are at 72, yeah? Same thing again, it's a waiting game. Pokes up around here, we can look for a sell. But when it drops, it's going to break these areas, yeah? We need to watch that. So oil is sell the rallies mode as well. Like I was talking with Nishant and whoever here early before we started the live stream, we need to be careful for the next few days, because not technical analysis or cycles or whatever, it is just that we are coming to the end of the month, yeah? So the big boys will be squaring their positions and realigning themselves and try and see how much maximum commission they can get in their pockets, yeah? And the big boys, we know they use us little guys for their liquidity, so we need to be careful, yeah?
We have crude inventories also today, bhai.
Hey?
Crude inventories.
Oil inventories, yeah, sorry. Wednesday oil inventories at 3:30, yeah? 3:30, so American time 10:30 a.m. ET, yeah? And tomorrow around, I think 4 o'clock will be the EIA Natgas, yeah? Okay, and okay, so Brent similar as well. Okay. Silver, we have already, this is the last time we were marking, but actually we should put this line here because I was doing. Okay. Wait, come on. This is the marker we have put from before, 2550, 25.50. Needs to stay below that, yeah? Needs to stay below that. And we have said when it sells the rallies mode and we are looking for this 2380 or this 24 to break down, yeah? It's in the prior, what you call, levels that we done on live streams. The numbers are there, yeah? So it sells the rallies mode in silver as well. But we need to watch, of course, 25 is 5 times 5. 25 is a round number. We need to watch that. And also it's a quarter of 100. So there's quite a bit of importance in 25 as a number, yeah? But 2550 area is where you can call it as line in the sand. We have to be very, very careful there because if it takes that over, then it can zoom up a bit, yeah? But even knowing that, we know when was the last time we done 28 and things like that? See, quite a while ago. May, we were around 28 and then we just been losing it, yeah? Drop, pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, yeah? So until it bases out and starts making a V shape up on the bigger cycle, that is what's happening, yeah? Is that clear enough for everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's clear, yeah? So we can get rid of this line now as well. So we looked at small cycle and big cycle and everybody. Okay. Gold as well. Similar. So we have a little pop. 1811 area we know from before. 1805 we know the MOB from before area, yeah? So similar thing again, look at the sell the rallies mode in it, yeah? But main thing like we'll see is when we are at that 7:30 area and mainly at 7:30 when they start to talk is we would get, and usually what happens is you get a very fast move in gold, either up or down, and then stabilizes, yeah, on the Fed FOMC. So we need to be aware of that, yeah? Okay. Gold futures are, okay. This one is at 1805. The difference between what you call the spot gold and the futures gold is around 3.5 points, yeah? $3.5. Remember a few weeks back or whatever, we were near enough the same price. Now the price is diverting a little bit, yeah? And see, now the futures are more expensive than the cash. So that means is a better one. The other way around, when the futures were higher than the cash, the cash was higher than the futures, that is called backwardation, yeah? So that means that thing is on a premium, saying that if cash is more expensive, later the other one can try and catch up, yeah? So those are just little things to be aware of. Australia, same thing, nothing doing at the moment. But everyone that I give, make sure that I give you all the levels, yeah? All the levels, huh? Same here. All sideways. All are sideways. All are sideways at the moment. Okay. Euro, we have said, is sell the rallies mode as well, and we are looking ultimately at that area of 1.1700, yeah? And recent highs, you can see where we were as well. Recent highs around 1.8184 and fizzles out and down. And where is the level here? 1.1878. Okay. Okay, you got all the levels. USD CHF, we said, is the opposite of that one. USD CHF. Pound is popping up a little bit. We need to watch the C1, C2 area for a sell. And here we can think of it as a range, yeah? So now we need to see if the pop-up small or if the pop-up is big. If the pop-up is big, the retrace will be shallow. If the pop-up is not so big, then the retrace will be greater. Yeah? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
yes, sir.
yeah, I'm just giving rough ideas because like I keep on saying, like a broken record, the main action today is Fed FOMC, and it's just like when you think about it, it's like no other country has an economy of their own. They're all like dogs in tow, like poodles, as to how hard the Americans bark and the rest of the world wags its tail, you see. And, you know, talking of wag the tail, it's an English saying that does the dog wag the tail or does the tail wag the dog, yeah? And, you know, we say the dog is going to dig a bone, yeah? Looking for something, dig a bone. But there was a guy called Gundratyev. He said, you have to find, this is for the Templars, you have to find the buried dog, not the bone. Don't worry, when the time comes, Vulture will explain that to you. Finding the dog, not the bone, yeah? It's not as, it is esoteric as well, but it is quite nice. You will see that, you will do that. Euro JP, same situation. GBP yen, same as Euro JP at the moment. Need to wait and see. This is the policeman area, needs to take that out and we watch, yeah? And if they're going up into the Fed, then we can look for a retracer in the Fed, okay? Anybody, any questions or anything? Nobody quiet? Okay, what is this stuff? Okay. I think this is with blackboard and whiteboard and whatever. I think this is to do with that new Epic Pen thing, yeah? Anyway. USD JP trickling down, LOC stuck. We need to wait. Nothing to do here. If it pops down, then we can look. Otherwise, here, LOC, what are you going to do? Nothing much to do at the moment. What I hate is slow, boring markets. Euro GBP is going down like a rocket at the moment, yeah? So we need to wait here. And where the move, if and only when the move stops is when you can do something, yeah? At the moment, it would be like taking a punt or a gamble or whatever. Yeah, because it's still pointing down. What is the hour one saying? It's pointing down as well. What's the 4 hour saying? It is still pointing down as well. So if all those three are are saying down, 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 even though it is going down, if you are thinking of taking a long, you have to be careful because you can get wrong-footed out of it, yeah? Aziz is somebody new. Welcome. Aziz, welcome, welcome, welcome. Aziz is from where? Welcome. First time? Tin is somebody new as well? No, Tina is, I think, is our teenage boy, yeah? Add to stream as well. If you need to be putting on voice, then do shout as well. Because we do like to, what you say, have a bit of an interaction or know at least who you are or whatever, yeah? Looney as well. Need to wait, but as Nishant Pai pointed out, it is a swing long, but to play it, you have to be capitalized to play the swing. It doesn't mean that if your account is not enough capitalized or your patience is not, your emotional, what you would say, your emotional content money, your emotional money, yeah? If that is not well guarded or well utilized, then the swing plays actually will not work for you. Even though the swing will work, but it will not work for you because you have not put your brain to do it, yeah? Are not with it as yet. So better, if that is the case, that you cannot hold with patience and you get spooked out on any moves, big or small, that means it will eat you alive, and it will cause you undue stress. So you have to make sure that if you take a swing play, then it is like set and forget. Only look at it rarely, yeah? Only look at it rarely. Hope that is clear. Okay, Sam here, Eurocard. I don't know how many play it or not, but nothing to do at the moment. If you are aggressive, you can put a stop under here and try and see if you can get up here. But the move is slow. The market is slow. Same, just we are in nowhere at the moment. And even if you were to take anything and use that as your marker to try and get some points, it's not even like 10 or 15 pips. Is it worth taking the trade? Welcome, Prabha. Son, welcome. UDJP. Okay, still pointing down. Need to wait. Again, waiting mode. And remember, even though I'm showing you on half an hour, always keep on saying, look at the universe above and the universe below. So that means you must look at the 4 and 1 quickly, not trade the 4 and 1 because you are trading half an hour, yeah? And then for the internal, to get a better entry, look at the 15 or even 5 minute to fine tune it, yeah? Whoop, what happened here now? Are we stuck? Hey, did this freeze? Ah, my chart is frozen. Okay, it's come back alive. Okay, Euro NZD. But make sure that I give you all the levels, please. Okay, similar situation here. Most of them are waiting game, yeah? Okay, this one's got a bit of an oomph. Need to watch the halfway line. And what do we do as soon as we see the daily levels? Welcome, Prabha, welcome. Question, guys. What do we do as soon as we see the daily levels? Whoops. Everyone is quiet. Nishant Bhai. Wow. Okay.
We're just listening, sir. Not cut your present. Just wait for at the end of the session to ask the questions.
Yeah, no problem. No, ask anytime. Ask anytime. But what I'm asking the question is, when you see daily levels, what is the first thing you do? That's my question.
The answer is we wait for the speed, and most of them
Boss
see
lady.
the MOB and LOC.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. But what I am looking for is, as soon as you get the daily levels,
First of all, the speed.
yeah, speed, and draw the lines in the middle.
Yeah, and the mid lines. Yes, absolutely. The mid lines at
Yes,
first.
draw that in the line in the middle, so it gives you like a little markers. Yeah, so that is the first thing you do, and of course, speed and everything. You are perfect. You are perfectly right. Yeah, surrender by, and then V shape, perfect. Draw the middle lines. Good, 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 good. Everybody, well done. You are listening to me at least. Somebody is trying to come in, and we need to maybe give them room. One person can maybe come in by YouTube, and they can come in. Yeah. Okay, Tin is here. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Yeah, yeah. Do shout away questions. Yeah, and I think Vipin by Nishant are looking at the questions as well. Yeah. So. Okay, same thing. We are at two area. So 2 again, round number is important. Yeah, round number is important. Tin, welcome. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Tin. Nice to see you, Tin. Good man. Good man. Good man. Good man. Tin's on as well. Okay. And anyone who needs to be voiced, do shout as well. Yeah. Okay, you got all the levels. AUD and ZD. Marking time. Boring markets at the moment. Okay, this is trickling down. We have to wait. We have to wait. AUD CAD as well. One thing, like I said, I'm going through all this list or whatever. Do shout me or tell me. Adnan Nasir, welcome, welcome. Walaikum salam. Long time not seen you. Okay. We did the S&P 500, but yeah, I'll do it again. Adnan, as soon as I finish this, I will do S&P again, okay? I'll do S&P again. No problem. Same here, trickling down, but going nowhere. Okay. CAD JP. And of course, Adnan, you can look at the YouTube and rerun it all again, and my boring commentary and everything. Okay, same thing here. Sometimes, live stream is good, but the bad thing is when we want to move, we don't see it. We don't get it. The market does not give us. Today, a few times we have taken the live trade immediately while we are even talking. But today, nothing is lining up. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do that. We can't take a trade if there is no trade or that we see is worth it. Yeah. Okay. This one is
no problem, sir. The most important thing that we can understand is wait for trade when the market is not good.
Main thing is sabr, patience.
Yes, absolutely.
Don't chase the market. Let it come to you. If it doesn't come to you, leave it. Yeah, waiting will give you the best opportunity. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, GBP AUD, we are at the 1.889, say 1.89. Yeah. So we need to wait here as well. It is pointing up, but let's see where it fizzles out and gives us the V shape. Then we go down, and the V shape, as I tell you, is visual for us, but it is based on the Joros hook. Yeah. It's called the Joros hook. Okay. And remember, this Coco was falling like crazy, and see the crazy move it has made? That is how commodities move. Commodities is not trading for everybody. And sorry, not trying to belittle anybody or whatever, or not even boasting on my side. Just a plain fact is, for trading commodities, they are very good and everything, but you do require deep pockets, yeah, to trade commodities, because there is, for pound per move is a lot of bucks, but it does, at the end of the day, it's a money game, and you have to have deep pockets to trade commodities properly, yeah. Otherwise, it will kill you. It will kill you. It will kill you. And mind you, there's so many other things you can trade as well. You don't have to trade commodities all the time as well. CHF JP sideways as well. If F1 doesn't break, maybe you can look for buying open, because first, second, third, nearly 4 bottoms here. This area held as well. And how many of you here are doing the... Okay, I'll do Adnan. I'll do S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow. I'll do all three again. No problem. No problem. Because they're all one and the same, near enough, yeah. Except the NASDAQ is the weaker party out of those 2 or 3, yeah. Okay. So the question is, how many here are using the men who is running the traffic jam and the bridge? I mean, daily level's fine. Thanks, Pipin. I'm reading, I've read the question. Adnan, yeah? Okay. Simon, Oriotia. Ini dia. Gonjwa ageze. Gonjwa. Ye COVID, yeah?
Hey, against
yeah, but do the steaming, yeah? Do the steaming and black seed oil. You know, our brother Simon in Birmingham and his wife came in contact with somebody positive with COVID. So Simon rang me yesterday. They are in quarantine. 5 days?
10 days.
10 days, Ankumi. Okay. No.
Yeah.
And even after that, make sure mask up and be careful, because Birmingham is very bad. I believe it's because my auntie and everybody are from there, yeah? From Yadki. So my auntie, one of my aunties is at home at the moment, and my other uncle and auntie as well in Birmingham, they had COVID as well, yeah? And in fact, the son not this weekend, the last weekend, he came in somebody with positive. He is at home as well, 5-10 days now, isolation, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Birmingham is like a hotspot.
Yeah, because it's busy out here, and you know, I think a lot of people traveling through here as well.
Yeah, because it's central, and also unfortunately, Sibategera, they don't listen. They don't put the mask on. I saw that, you know, because my mom went there, and she was telling me as well that, you know, outside hardly anyone puts a mask on, and now they've taken the mask off as well, and such stupidity. So be careful, please.
Yeah.
Better to be safe, you know, better to put a curfew on yourself than...
That is true.
Okay, tin needs... Okay, tin, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, VIX, what are we doing in VIX? Okay. Nothing. I just wanted to increase a little bit in volatility. And then we will be playing VIX like clockwork, like same we trade the S&P and everybody. Mexican. Wow. No, nobody trades Mexican, but sideways as well. Euro CHF. Nothing doing it there as well. All sleepy markets because of NZD CHF same. NZD JP. Okay. Similar. Make sure I give you all the levels, huh? Dollar index. What is the dollar index doing? It's sideways as well. This should move at the Fed as well nicely, yeah. And 92 is very important, yeah. from past as well, you will see. And from a bit while back, 94.6 is very, very important as well. Okay, just looking very quickly. So 93 area is where it starts to struggle, yeah? Where it starts to struggle in this here. So pop to drop. And we have low, don't, pop, drop. So maybe something, unless it does something, if it maintains the pattern, then could be something of that kind of a nature. Yeah, but need to watch this 92 areas very, very carefully. Could be a buying opportunity. And see, look, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Okay. And can you see the symmetry as well? See? The symmetry as well. Okay, so 30 minutes, you got all the levels. Okay. Copper, Dr. Copper, what are you doing? Copper trying to trickle down, but sideways as well. Okay. Any questions or anything? No. Someone is trying to enter, but the studio is full. Maybe one person needs to give them room. Yeah. Platinum. Drop and pop. Okay. Same with copper and gold and whatever. Nat gas is down. Need to watch that one. And oil inventories today, and it will give a move then, and the main move it will give is tomorrow, yeah, with what you call the nat gas inventories at around 4 o'clock usually UK time, so 11 a.m. ET. Soybeans, no one trades, but they're down. Okay. Coffee, we are swing short, yeah, from 192.50. It did come in a bit of profits or whatever. There's popping up a little bit and whatever. But same thing with coffee. Once it finishes, the move down will be relentless, yeah? And it will last for quite a while as well. That's why we said we will take pain for gain, yeah? So this trade we are already in from 192.50, yeah? Just for what you call, as an idea, how many did take the coffee swing short? Aziz, welcome. Aziz is, I don't know where from or doesn't talk. Vipin Bhai, welcome. Okay, LED as well. How many here took the? How many here took the what you call? Coffee short, yeah, mini swing short. You can even scalp it as well. I'm going to hold it for a while, like I said, but that's personal choice, yeah. And when we took it, it did drop to around 189 and things like that. So it did give profits, even if you keep on scalping it slowly and hold, but use smaller sizes, yeah, smaller sizes. Small Adam, well, I know Adam, you got it. I know you got it 0.2, I think. Am I right? I don't usually miss it. Okay. Bitcoin has done the job, like we said. We had taken it we took it at 444.5, and I said the first target was 3333.33, and then I said the Templars should know 343, yeah, which was 34300. Both those targets came in. In fact, I think they came in on like on Friday night, Saturday morning, whatever. Both these targets were done, yeah. So, and Monday, that time I was missing hospital and all this and whatever, and we went to around 28, 29 area. Because as my Ustad says, zigos, when Zarif goes out, he misses a move and the market makes a move. But it gave an opportunity to add here, but I never took it because I was not here. But happy to say these two came in and more than enough, yeah? More than enough, yeah? The trade was given here live and talked about and everything as well. So now, where from here in Bitcoin? Where from here? What are your views, guys? One thing, me talking. What about your views? Well done, Reza, well done. Keep on scalping on coffee, yeah? So, guys, what do you think about Bitcoin from here now?
Sir, I think maybe another, we can set another buy position around 30,000. But if we lost the price 20,000, 27, maybe the next target around the 19.
That's long term, yeah? But I'm just saying here, now. What do you think?
Oh, here now,
here and now.
Here, first of all, draw the midlines, see the speed, and we can take a mini swing short.
Yes.
Or stay, or wait for a V shape above the C2 and take a short above that.
Yes, perfect. And see, also, if we look roughly, yeah, I'm not doing. We can say this as the policeman, yeah.
Yes.
And because we know that Bitcoin is a fast mover, so we don't have to give it 100 points, yeah. If we keep in mind in 1,000, yeah, because it can move 300, 400, 500, 600 like that. So if we give 1,000, or even because you are Templars, you can give 1440, okay, 1440. So if we add 1440 here, we are getting around in the zone of 4142, which is 7 times 6, yeah?
Yes.
So if you keep that area to watch, you can take a short.
Yep.
Yeah? Agreed?
Agreed.
So just simply looking at that, and what we will do is, Bismillah. Let's see. I may be early, yeah. But I just want to, Bismillah. Where are we? Okay. Okay. 39,680, yeah. I've taken a small short, yeah. And let me put it here as a banner, and I will add to it, yeah. I will add to it as well, because I just want to be in the trade in case I'm in and out of what you call here, yeah. So we can say, what's the date today? 28. Bitcoin short sell at 39,680.26, and we can say minimum. I'm saying for myself, I don't mean minimum target for you. Minimum target 1,000 points at 38,680.26. I'll put in, will add as well. Yeah. So this is our trade. Yeah. That's the trade, and I'll put the target here as well in case I forget, which was 39,680. Wait, 38,680.26. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah. So I'll put the target as well, and I'm going to leave it running. So that's our live trade here done. And look, if you take the trade, make sure you trade small and make sure that it agrees with you. You don't have to follow it. Yeah, Aziz, welcome. Aziz, welcome. And where are you located? Yeah, welcome. Yeah, anything you don't understand, Aziz, do shout. You can talk with us as well. Yeah, here we are not trying to sell you anything. Hopefully, we are trying to give you some trades that you can do as well. Yeah, so these are live trades, but it is not a invitation to trade. You only trade if you pull the trigger and you know the disclaimer that look, you know the risks in the market as well. Yeah. Ruben, ask away, Ruben, ask, please ask. Whoops. Yeah, Bitcoin, we done that. So Litecoin will be similar. Wait a little bit for Litecoin is still not reached properly the policeman area, and we can do a small short in Litecoin. Yeah. Ethereum is lagging. Ethereum is lagging a bit from the other two. Yeah. Ripple, wow. Ripple has done quite a rip. Yeah. So we use this marker. If it doesn't take it out, does the V shape, and then you can come for looking for, we are going what you call fish or cut bait. This is your marker. If it can't take that up, does the V shape, then you draw the line in the middle and you short it and try and get to here. Yeah. Nice as well. 72, 73 area. Again, wow. Numbers do rhyme and work. Yeah, Ruben, you said you have a question. Do fire away. Regarding how to count 7, 10, 13, sir. I think Miss that was confused. The 13 to 13 times 11 is what? 13 to multiply with 144. Okay. Those are all cycles, yeah. Oh, okay. I got you. Nothing to do with 144, Ruben. What I was saying is when we do S&P, I do again, and we try and look at that. Yeah, no problem. We do that. But like I said, that is not technical analysis or anything. It is just screen watching. Yeah, it's screen watching. It's nothing to do with what you would say as Vulture or 144 or anything like that. It is just plain simple screen watching an idea. And if it works, it works. It doesn't. But most times than not, it does work. Yeah, we will see that. Yeah. So there, okay. Those guys who trade S&P 500 cash. So we can put it here as SPX, which is cash. Yeah. SPX cash, and we will just call it DL, daily levels. Yeah. This is the cash one. This is the cash index. Okay. Cash numbers. Yeah. Because like this one is a 4398. S&P is the futures are 9 points lower. Futures 9 points lower. Yeah. But even if you trade whether the cash or you trade the futures, the move up or down, the number of points will be the same. Okay. Number of points will be the same. Okay. So you can trade either, and the target would be, if you say 50 points, the futures will give 50 points, and so will the cash. Okay. The move will be the same, just that the numbers will be a bit different because of the premium. Yeah. Okay. So this is Dow cash. Yeah. Dow, you call it US 30 cash daily levels. Okay. These are the cash daily levels. Yeah. Okay. So we got that. So next, just for fun, look at this Indian rupees. Yeah. Okay, look a little bit trying to go. Amsterdam, okay. It's near the MOB, yeah? No one trades it here. Turkish lira just for fun. F1, MOB, okay, same. Hong Kong Shanghai Index. I used to trade it quite often before, but then I used to be up nearly all night. I was a young man then. Hang Seng, the Nikkei, the Kospi. You need a heart of steel. They do move like crazy, not 20, 30, 50 points. They can move in thousands of points. Yeah, so be very careful. Be very careful. New Zealand CAD, LOC and below. Okay. Nikkei. Okay. Same as S&P, nothing doing. No one. USD ZAR. Okay. It's based F1, LOC, MOB between here. Need to watch here and here. And this is the policeman. Not much of a, it's like 20, 30 pip move thing. Maybe not worth it to trade with what you call the spread, yeah? And if not only you have to worry about spread with brokers, also the internal charges, they're called swaps and all this and whatever. So sometimes your charges might be more than what you make. Be very careful. Okay. So we've done everyone.
Do you have a question?
S&P Adnan Nasir. We are looking to sell the rallies, yeah? We said sell the rallies mode, and now today we are waiting mainly for the Fed at 7 and 7:30. That is when the main move will come. But the idea is, where the all-time high is at the moment. You need to keep that idea in mind. And also, what is the normal expanded and contracted range of a market like I showed you in the webinar, yeah? So you need to work out, need to do some homework. All of you, everyone. You must know what is the normal move in the market, what is the expanded move in the market, and what is the contracted move in the market in any instrument that you trade, yeah? You should know that. And obviously, the template should know the cog, yeah? Now, normal market move, say the S&P normal market move is around 30, I'm just giving it a round number, yeah? 30 points. That's its normality. Expanded move, how much does S&P move? Like the other day, we've seen around 80 to 100 point move, yeah? Now, remember one thing, most people, when we say expanded, they think of it going up. No, expanded move, it can either expand up or expand down, okay? That is the difference. Most people say, oh, expanded means up. No, expansion can come up or down. Say you have a temperature gauge at 0. If it goes to 100 degrees centigrade and you get a burn, yeah? You burn yourself. Same token, if it goes to minus 100, you get the same burn. It's called frostbite, yeah? So it is same thing in expansion. It can expand up or expand down, okay? Make sense now? So say, for example, it does the expanded move in the Fed and it drops down 100 points and it can't go any lower. I'm just giving as an example, not saying it's going to drop 100 points, yeah? Just making numbers up. Then you can look for the V-shape and you can look for a retrace, yeah? On the other, if it expands up 100 odd points, then you can look to fade that move, okay? And what you do is look at the code of that move, which is 50, and keep that in idea. Does that help? Does that help, guys? So you must know your instrument. If you don't know your instrument, then you don't know which water you are swimming with and if there is sharks there or piranha fish or whatever, yeah? It's not the big fish that can kill you. Even the little fish can eat you up, yeah? Any questions, anybody, anything else? Adam, okay, okay, 28K, okay. Okay, most research, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Adam, I'm going to come to your question. I'm going to come to your question as well. So, yeah, same thing as well, what I just said. We need to watch the 35061 area, especially. Nasdaq, we said, is the weaker one. And we also said Nasdaq is the weaker one. Look, it's got a triple top as well. Then a bottom here. Where's the cog? Yeah, comes up to the cog. Need to watch. This is the area we were short from before, and we ended at 15.066. Yeah, so do the same numbers, play game again. Let's see if it pops up. We want to look at sell the rallies. Okay, and unless it gives us a deep pullback in the Fed, like F2 area or something like that, then we can look to fade the move. But one thing you must notice, when the Fed comes out, or just before at 6:59, the rate comes out, write or draw a line as to where the market was, yeah, because that will give you more clues and a marker. See, for example, if the Fed came out here, and it dropped, and then it starts to make way up, so we draw a line in the middle to see, and this area can become a target again, as if nothing happened. Same thing, it does that, stops out, and if it does that, then where we started from, that zone can become like a magnet as well, okay? Well, hopefully today at 6:45 p.m. UK time, yeah? So we can say 15 or 30 minutes before the Fed, I'm going to do a live stream again. So if you want to come in for the live stream, and we will hopefully trade the Fed. Trade the Fed. Yeah? And, we'll be quick on that one and see what we can do with it, yeah? Any questions, anybody? Okay. Now, Ruben's question about the 7, 10, 13. Okay. What I said was, in the market by screen watch, yeah? Many times, depending on the time frame that you are trading, if you're trading 30 minutes, and you have to look at 30 minutes, yeah? And if you're scalping, so you look at 7, 10, 13, yeah? And I usually find that after moving 7, 10, or 13, yeah, then it does like a contra move. And then we need to see does that contra move have power, yeah? We can do a scalp or whatever. So say we just take this area here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And look, popped. Yes? Ruben, easy? Does that help? Say we take, I don't know, DAX, yeah? Say we pick it from anywhere. Pick it anywhere. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and dunk down. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and dunk down. See? Okay, I'm just picking from anywhere. I'm not cherry picking any chart, yeah? I'm just picking anyone from anywhere. Say, I don't know, this one, I don't know, let's pick it anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and done a bit, yeah? Then we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and done a bit. See? Easy? But like I said, it's not technical analysis. This is just plain screen watching. Plain screen watching. Nothing to do with anything. It's just watching the screen that after 7, 10, 13, move up or down, then you get a reaction. Yeah, it's just a reaction. Call it a mini cycle or whatever you call it. You can give it any names you like, but just count 7, 10, and 13 candles. Yeah. Anyone, any questions or anything? Ruben, if you are trading, if I use 30 minutes because I find it smoother, yeah? You see, like if you go to 15 minutes, it is more involved, and 5 minutes even more involved, yeah? But say you keep it on 30 minutes, then you are like in a middle ground, yeah? Middle ground, half of 1 hour kind of thing, yeah? So I like to look at the 30-minute chart because I find it smoother, no noise, yeah? But if you are trading even like 5 minutes or 1 minute or whatever, and you are doing fast scalping, then just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what's happening, 8, 9, 10, still expanding. Okay, wait, going still up at 13, and then it stops, and then dung, yeah? Do a fast scalp, and then you wait again, yeah? So this is a scalping idea, yeah? This is just a scalping idea. It's not a change in trend or anything else. This is just, I call it as nanosecond scalping, yeah? Fast scalping. That after a move of 7, 10, 13 candles, look for something. If it's going up, for a retrace down or poke up more or something, just to be aware. Be aware. Just think of it like you're driving on a road. After 7 miles, there's a traffic light. After 13 miles, there is a traffic light. Yeah, that's all. That's all. So you need to be aware of it. Awareness, yeah, just awareness. Okay, so any questions, anybody? Anyone, anything to say or whatever? I didn't know into the stream as well. Ruben, that one, Salendra, okay. Yeah, so I think we've done everything or whatever. And now we are live trade in Bitcoin as it's there. Maybe I shouldn't say it or whatever, but I always say what I feel, yeah. Yesterday I was a bit sad to see or whatever in Prabha's channel, yeah. That I think somebody got banned because of misbehaving. And the other one I think was maybe comments by Kunal or somebody or other. The idea is this. It is Prabha's channel. We shouldn't take advantage of his kindness. If the rules are no buy and sell signals, no trading thing, just put your charts. That is what we all have to respect, yeah? Otherwise, if everyone starts to put, if he makes an exception for anyone, and they all start to put buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, I'm selling buy, somebody else is selling sell, you are going to get confusion. And at the end of the day, we don't know the other people, whether they are even trading or not trading or demos, or they're trying to get you to contact them to do account management and all this kind of crap and sending signals and everything, yeah? So I always believe either follow one or follow no one, yeah? So if we are doing you live streams, YouTubes, daily levels, webinars, seminars, even bringing you the likes of people that I don't think most people can even afford, like Larry Pesavento and Tom Hogan, everyone, to do it freely for you. Which Telegram channel is going to do that for you for any amount of money? So think about it, that we don't have a hidden agenda. Maybe the other guys do have it. And we have also seen other places and telegrams where these things start like a little thing and then full-blown fights going on all day because, Zarif, you made me lose money and all this kind of shit, because you took the trade and that is between you and that person. Yeah, you shouldn't. If you win, you smile. If you lose and then you go in deniability and you blame the other person, you are equally to blame. You are equally to blame. We don't want you to follow anyone kind of thing. We want you to become traders. That is the difference between us and them. We want you to be the best that you can be, not rely on somebody else. So You can trade the way I'm showing you things here, whatever. I hope it helps and helps you to trade, yeah. And also, you've seen like with me or whatever. I mean, Nishant Bhai is there. You're all in Discord. Everything, as many of you. We are here for you nearly 24/7. Who else is going to give you that? You can talk to us. You can be with us. You can even ask to have a one-to-one, whatever. Nobody else is going to do that for you at any time. True or false? So I was quite upset to read that. And also, no offense, the gentleman was trying to defend that in other telegrams. I think it was Kunal. Yeah, I don't give a shit, because the name I remember, Kunal Thadani, and he always, unfortunately, he was right, but always he makes a negative comment, never a positive one, which doesn't help. And second one is like arrogant kind of attitude. Give me, do it my way. If you want to do it your way, go and open your own Telegram channel and see if you have the test of time to stay with it 24/7 and provide what you say. Put your money where your mouth is and do it. You don't need to do it in somebody else's room at somebody else's expense, yeah? Makes sense or not? Makes sense, yeah? I'm not having a gripe. I'm just being honest with you guys that, we must respect where we are. We must respect where we are. And if the place says no buy, no sell signals, no direct messaging, and no trying to sell account managements or self-promoting yourself, yeah, then we have to respect that. We have to, like Prabha is like my son. I could do anything in that room and he would not, because of respect, he wouldn't open his mouth. I don't do it because I know what we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do, yeah. In our own Discord room, we have a rule. Anyone can post, talk, anything, good, bad, and ugly. But if you disrespect somebody, and the second one is if you don't talk, a silent ninja, you are kicked out. And any trade, your own trade, personal trade, you have to post, even including me, you have to post it live, not after the event and come and say, I did this. Like, look, we took a trade now, live. That's it. Then we will update it as we go along. But I can't come to you tomorrow and say, you see, I took a Bitcoin and we did this. No, we have to do it now, not after the event, yeah? Not after the event. And our idea is, like I said, to make you the best of the best you can be. Yeah? You are you. I cannot make you into something else, but I can try to make you as better as we can, yeah? And like I said, I'm not trying to promote ourselves or anything. I'm just saying basically that you have to be careful, because if you follow somebody else without thinking, including me, without thinking, using your own brain, then you are equally as much to blame as I am, yeah? Make sense? So how many I'm going to wonder are going to give what you call live comments in the YouTube, because that does help, not promoting, but support to us, and Nishant Bhai and everybody, Vipin, everybody doing so much work in the background to make it all happen. This is the least everyone can do. And most of you guys have our Discord room link as well. Yes, no? Maybe Nishant Bhai, we can put our Discord link in here. I don't know.
Yeah.
Just give it to them. And like I said, we have rules in the Discord. One, don't sit down in personal messages. Second one is what you see in there stays there. We don't want it posted anywhere else. The only reason we are giving you our Discord room is solely that after the live stream or whatever, during the day when we are trading or whatever, you will get a lot more tradings and everything and updates as well, instead of just this. Yeah? And down there, everyone is friendly. Most people have been there for, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, even 25 years and whatever, yeah? And you might meet a few people that might bulge your eyes out as well. And like I said, we are not after quantity of numbers. It's like a small family group. So if you want to join that, you are more than welcome. You're more than welcome. Anybody, any last questions before I run away? Okay, Aziz doesn't have what you call the link. So we need to find the link. But when you come there, do give us a bit of information about you as to what you trade, where you are, or whatever. Yeah. Okay, I'll put it there as well, and I'll put it in. Adnan Nasir, you are getting a second chance. Adnan Nasir used to come in the old Cool Pips as well. How many years did he come? How many years was that? I don't know. But then Adnan went missing, yeah? I think Adnan came, Nishant Bhai, about, I don't think you were there, Nishant Bhai, about maybe about 10, 12 years ago, huh?
Oh, okay.
But then I don't know, Adnan went missing, yeah? Adnan went missing. Okay, so I think is any last questions, then we can switch off, yeah? Because I think we've done like about nearly maybe 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Huh? Anyone, any questions? I think private one, something else. Okay. Aziz in Kenya. Wananchi wewe Aziz, huh? Mombasa, Nairobi, Nakuru, Nanyuki. Where? Malindi. I'm originally from Uganda. Nairobi, asante. Welcome. Karibuni. Welcome. Tess is from Nakuru. I think George is from Nairobi. Yeah, so you will meet some Dugus as well. Dada Gladys hasn't been for a while, but she's in Nairobi as well. So nice. Good. So Nishant Bhai, soon it will become East African traders. Okay, so I'll say goodbye to everybody. Nishant Bhai, what do you think?
Yeah. Yes, bye.
It's
Yeah.
more than enough, yeah, because now there's no juice, nothing to do, just waiting game, yeah. And then, like I said to everybody, half an hour before the Fed, we will switch on, and we see how it goes, yeah.
Yeah.
It will be fun, hopefully, yeah. So okay,
Right.
so I say goodbye to everybody now, yeah. Bye now,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Nishant Bhai, switching off, yeah, and broadcast.